Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to make a really quick video on how to fix a common bug of the post excerpt. So the post excerpt is that text that actually appears under every post. Let me show you right away what I'm talking about. So I'm going to search for post here, and as you can see there is post, and if I drag and drop it in this column, for example, I see the post excerpt, and I'm talking about this kind of text here under the image and the title and whatever. So this text here could be changed by changing the settings right here in the excerpt length, right? So in some case, with some themes, you will have an issue where you will find some post with the correct number of length of words, right? And some post with another number of length. That can happen if you try to install some themes, and some themes does have their own excerpt length settings. So let's see how to fix this issue. So let's say I want to change this to 100. Because I want to show all my excerpt or most of it, right? And in this case, I'm going to use CSS to decide how many lines to show off here. So let me try and fix this. By clicking, make sure you clicked this section here and go on Advanced and then go on Custom CSS, and here we are going to add our custom CSS. So I have my code here. You can find it in the description of this video, so just select it, copy it, and then paste it here. Great, as you can see now all my post excerpt are 3 lines, right? Because I can change the line clamp here by changing the value from 3 to 5, for example, and as you can see now it's getting like 5 lines, right? So it's very cool because you don't count the words, you actually count the lines, and this is very nice if you want to have your post all aligned the same. And also will fix that bug of having posts with different wording, right? With different count of words. So once you click here, like for example, I will keep it on 3. I'm going to update this and then check out my page, and probably will work really great. Great guys, I hope the tutorial was useful. Of course, like button to this video, subscribe to the channel and notification bell to be always up to date with new videos like this, tips and tricks and more tutorials. Have fun and see you in the next one. Bye!